I start cooking when my husband leaves work, giving myself 30 minutes on the clock. Tonight we're having my favorite cast iron chicken with some rice and vegetables. This is a go-to meal for us year round. Let me show you how I do it and let's see if I can beat the clock. First things first, I have a little bit of olive oil heated up in a pan. I'm gonna add some onion into this. This is for our rice, one of my favorite ways to do it. You can switch it up, add different flavors to it. I just like onion in it. I think it's phenomenal. Let the onion soften down for about 30 seconds. Looks wonderful. Let's add our rice. 1 cup jasmine rice going in. Toast. Continue to stir, shake, do whatever you want, don't let it burn. You can keep stirring, do not let it burn. Don't get distracted. Toasty, toasty. 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 cup of water. You don't have to do it this way, this is just what I like. It's gonna sizzle, it's gonna pop. Let that come back up to a boil. Salt, 1 stir, just to combine. Get rid of your spoon, throw it away. You're not gonna stir the rice for the rest of this time. Tight fitting lid, if you do not have a tight fitting lid, use tin foil. I put my lid on there so that way I don't touch it. So, simmer. And then, I'm gonna start heating up my cast iron. My oven is preheated at 400 degrees. I have a few radishes here that I've just cleaned. I cut off both of the ends and I cut them in half. I have some onion because I had it left over and a few big pieces of garlic. Olive oil, salt, generous, pepper, generous. See that spoon I told you to throw away? Give it a quick toss. These roasted radishes are gonna end up being like little potatoes. Into the oven. I'm gonna get my chicken prepped, call my husband, and bring you back for the star of the show. Welcome back to my cooking show featuring my favorite wall. Some of you will make fun of me for this thing today. I promise you it looks a lot worse from the camera angle. This is just, it's the setup. We're in a very old farmhouse. I promise you that my husband and I are working our ass off every single day to get ourselves a bigger kitchen. To a hot cast iron, this thing has been heating up for a long time. We're gonna add in some avocado oil. Stopped my favorite grocery store this weekend, Fairway, shout out. Love their meat counter. I got 3 trimmed chicken breasts and all I did was trim these in half. So we're using 2 of those chicken breasts tonight and we will use the other 2 later on this week. We're gonna lay these into this pan. I'm gonna overcrowd just a little bit. I know I'm gonna overcrowd. Season the other side, salt, pepper, the best smoked paprika that you can find, simply organic. Onion, garlic. You can tell I'm kind of spicy tonight, sorry. It's been cooking for like 2 to 3 minutes. Let's check it. That's perfect, that's what you're going for. 2 to 3 minutes without touching it, and then you're gonna flip it over. That one looks really good. 2 more minutes on this side, and then they're going into the oven. A little pat of butter for each of these, and then into the oven. Let it finish in the oven until it's done. I have this really cool steamer pot from my grandma. Some hot water in the bottom. I have my steamer basket. And I'm dropping in an entire bag of frozen vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, carrots. Turn those on high. I'll come back and season them in a minute. I have the absolute tiniest bit of garlic salt left in this, so we're gonna use the rest of this garlic salt. And I don't think that's enough. So let's add a little bit of Kinder's buttery garlic and herb. I'm letting these steam on high. I don't know how long. 10 minutes maybe? 10 minutes? We'll say that. Clean up as you go, right? Keep your kitchen clean. I'm gonna go do some dishes. Just got the notification they're getting home and I'm just getting ready to check chicken. Look at that chicken. That is absolutely perfect. I wanna check this quick. If you don't have an instant read thermometer, you need one. This is a critical kitchen tool. Oh yeah, we're a little bit overcooked. That's okay. Set this to the side. Let it do its thing. I don't know where the side is right now though because I am running out of space. Let your chicken rest. Goodness. Let's check these veg. All of these vegetables have a lot of water in them, so honestly to roast them in under 30 minutes, it's kind of unrealistic because I am feeding my family right away and kind of doing it for the plot of racing the clock. We're gonna call this good. I'm gonna throw them actually, we're gonna throw them in on broil for like 2 minutes. Use a spoon because I told you to throw the other one away once you stirred your rice. You better have thrown it away. It better be already washed or in the dishwasher by now, quite honestly. I thrown burner on. So my rice didn't boil. We didn't use the clock with the rice. We did with everything else. I'll show you that when it's done. Let that come back up to a steam, but I'm telling you, we got crispy rice right now. Everything else is perfect. Oh, guys, can't make this up. It's okay. Let me show you this chicken now. They're just getting ready to walk in. Look at that. Gosh, It's gonna be so good. It's so juicy. Pork tender. Hi, honey. There you go. There you have it. Hi. Guys, I didn't beat the clock, but it's okay. They're home. We're gonna eat in like 5 minutes. Not a big deal.
So disappointed right now. So disappointed.
He's so silly. So we're gonna try this Matima, is that how you say it? Yellow rice. I just saw it for the first time yesterday at the grocery store. I thought it looked really good. So 90 seconds to the microwave. Our toddler's plate. One little radish for her to try because I don't think she's gonna like them. Here you go. Here's my plate. I've been eating on chicken as I've gotten everybody else ready to go, but just a simple mix of vegetables, rice, and chicken, and the other rice, complete failure because I forgot to turn that burner on and so it never got hot, but not a big deal. I'll try to salvage it. This yellow rice is actually super good. It's got turmeric in it, so really, really, really good for you. These radishes though, for me, are the star of the show. It's like a little potato. They're so good. And then I did roast some whole garlic. My husband's definitely gonna want to kiss me later. That's my favorite thing. This mixture is my favorite thing. I have to chew my chicken really carefully or else I choke. Anyways, have a great night. Thanks for sticking around.